In this video you will learn how to change the agreement or how to use a different agreement for a specific customer. And actually it's very easy. When you post the portal for a client, the agreement that is going to be selected or is going to be used is the one that has the agreement symbol. So here in the template manager, let me go back here to the dashboard. So in the template manager right here, if we go there and select here the category of agreements, we have this one that says agreement. Okay, so this one is the one that's going to be selected. This is the only one that we have at this moment here, but it's going to be selected to be posted to a client only because it is selected, because it has this symbol, the double bracket symbol. So let's say that we want to create a different version of a contract, and maybe we're going to copy this. We're going to copy the original contract or another contract that you have, or you can write it from scratch. So whatever it is, we can add a new template now, right? And we're going to say, for example, here, alternate contract sample. So I'm going to paste the data here. I'm going to save it. Okay, and the category is important, is going to be agreements. Okay, select category. So I did. I'm gonna save it. Now if I wanted to use this contract as opposed to the other one, then this one should have double bracket agreement. Okay, and I'm gonna put here just for our test, alternate, and this is only to differentiate, right, to know that this is in fact a different agreement. Okay, so I added that one. So that means that when we go to a client and post a portal that is requesting, so if I go to contacts now and I have this James Smith, so I'm gonna check what is the status, because really I don't know. So this one is has already received the agreement, so it's not gonna be posted. But if I uncheck it like that, so now it's gonna be requested, we're gonna see hopefully that the agreement requested is so I'm gonna post. I can go to the dispute center, but I'm gonna post from here, post portal. So by clicking the C, so for client, and A for affiliate, right? So I post it, and I can even view it from here, which I can do from the dispute center, but I can view portal. And also I can email the client there, yeah, but I made a mistake. Yeah, so this is wrong. This is the previous version, but that was my fault. The reason that it was my fault is that I forgot to uncheck this one, and this one is first. It was created first, so that's why is so I only need to maybe put a space here. Okay, so, and this is for a client that you need to send a specific contract. So we're going to want to do the alternate contact. In this case, that's our goal, and I'm going to view it now again, and right now we should have the new contract. Problem in this case is that we have in memory, in cache, we have this. We need to refresh a few times, etc. So Well, basically, in this case, again, I made a mistake, and which is gonna be great to show, how the things work and how it's important that you pay attention, because I didn't pay attention and it was my fault. So if I go back to the template manager, okay, I can see that actually the one that I put the space is the one that I wanted to use. So this is totally wrong. I simply was confused. I did it without even reading because it was at the top. So okay, so bad. So the correct thing would have been to delete. So I think this error is productive in the sense that I can show that that can happen to you, and maybe, well, this one is not gonna work because it doesn't say agreement, right? Right now, I mean, that is because I was doing some tests, but this is the one that we need to put a space or something, another letter, or maybe delete the T, whatever, as long as doesn't say agreement, will be fine. So this is a simple system to change, and now if I go and post, I think I saved it, hopefully, and so I'm going to post again and view again, and as you can see, it says alternate. So that's it. The template, in a summary, the template that does have the code double square brackets agreement close double square bracket is the one that is going to be taken as default, as long as the other doesn't have it. And for that you can either delete it or modify it, the code, so it does not have agreement. You could even delete one of the square brackets, whatever changes. So you see, so this is another version, this is and this achieve our goal. So thank you, and that's all for now.